Hi, my name is Vinay. I represent the Akshaya Patra Foundation. It's a charitable organization which is into the midday meal scheme of the Union Government of India. And we have been in this space for about 11 years, and we've grown from 1,500 children to serving 1.3 million children in the last 11 years. To reach out to the number of children that we do, we open up centers regularly, and our growth is both in terms of numbers as well as in terms of the geographical spread that we have. Right now we have about 19 centers, and when we started we were small, we were able to control, we were able to see the data much easily. We were using Tally earlier for capturing all the data. But as we grew, it was difficult to keep the same amount of control on the data. So we wanted to get into a system which can be much more scalable, because we are looking at a massive growth going forward too. We used to wait for data to come, and rounds of validation and verification used to take that much more time, and we never had accuracy on the numbers. So that's the biggest takeaway that we have already seen, is that we can access data anytime, anywhere, and also be assured that the number is coming directly from the source and not getting processed through another chain of people. Affordable Business Solutions now is almost like a part of the organization. They've come into the organization with zero understanding of what we do, but now they have gotten the expertise of what we do and how we can do it better. And the good thing is that we can extract a lot of good practices that they have brought in, either through the product or through the customers that they have been interacting and they have given solutions to. As an organization, although we are 11 years into this, we have never had the kind of maturity that an 11-year-old organization should have in terms of respecting data and taking database decisions. So we are moving away from a hunch kind of decision to more data-centric decisions. So that cultural change is something that has been enabled by the partner. We have got here thanks to both Microsoft as well as ABS, and like I said, it's a journey that we will have to embark on for a longer period. And the initial phase has been very good, so it kind of vindicates our decision to go with ABS as well as Microsoft, and I'm sure it will take us longer.